In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an issue on Jira. Jira, developed by Atlassian, is a popular tool used by teams to track bugs, tasks, and deliverables. Whether you're new to Jira or looking to enhance your project management skills, understanding how to create issues effectively is a core skill you'll want to master. With a few simple steps, you'll be contributing to your team's workflow like a pro. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to navigate to your Jira dashboard. Once logged into your Jira account, you should see a variety of options on your screen, but the one we're interested in today is labeled Your Work. This section is designed to show you a snapshot of what you've been up to recently, but more importantly for our purposes, it's where you'll go to start creating a new issue. By clicking on Your Work, Jira will take you to the relevant area. Next up, you've got to locate the Create button. This is typically found toward the top of your screen, represented by a plus sign or the word Create. This button is your gateway to adding new tasks, bugs, or any other issue types into Jira, so go ahead and click on it. After clicking on Create, Jira will present you with a form. This is where you define what kind of issue you're reporting or task you're adding. One of the first fields you'll come across is for the issue type. Here, Jira gives you the flexibility to categorize your issue accurately. Your options include creating a task, bug, story, or epic. Make your selection based on the nature of the work or problem. For instance, choose bug if you're reporting a software defect or task for a to-do item. Once your issue type is selected, you'll notice a field for status. This status field is all about tracking progress. You have a few options right from the get-go: to do, in progress, or done. Your choice here should reflect the current stage of the issue. If you're just kicking things off, to do is likely the way to go. This system of categorization helps keep your project's workflow clear and organized. Adding a summary for your issue is a significant next step. This summary acts as a headline that helps team members quickly understand the core point of the issue. Think of it as the title of your work item. It should be concise yet descriptive enough to convey the issue's essence at a glance. Assigning the issue accurately is pivotal. By default, Jira might set the assignee as unassigned, but issues can also be directly assigned to specific team members, including yourself. Selecting an assignee ensures that everyone knows who is responsible for what, cutting down on confusion and streamlining the resolution process. Finally, once you've filled out all the necessary details, it's time to bring your issue to life by clicking the Create button once more. This action finalizes your issue, submitting it into the Jira ecosystem where it can be scheduled, tracked, and ultimately resolved. Remember, creating an issue in Jira is just the first step in a collaborative process of project management and problem solving. Make sure to provide clear, actionable information in each field to ensure that your team can act on the issue effectively. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating an issue in Jira. Whether it's a bug that needs squashing or a new task for your project plan, getting your issues correctly logged into Jira is crucial for keeping your projects organized and on track. With practice, you'll find that this becomes second nature, greatly enhancing your team's ability to communicate and collaborate effectively. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Happy project managing.